Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Senior Tech. Today we're going to be talking about keeping your computer running smooth and getting rid of things that might attach to your computer to slow it down. If you remember when you first got your computer how quickly it ran, well, over time a lot of things attach to it and you will see that your computer will slow down. Few pieces of practical advice here. First is don't download everything that you see. Don't download things that you don't need. These will slow down your computer. A lot of these programs are very invasive. Don't download add-ons to your browsers like shopping bars and weather apps and so on. We have shown you Windows 10 already comes with a very good weather app. Some of these over time have been known to just slow down your computer to a crawl. Another important thing that you can do is you can get a reliable automatic cleaner that will clean your computer of temporary files, cookies, things that build up every time that you go online. That way you can go longer without a tune-up. A computer tune-up is something that you have to do eventually. Computers are like cars. The more you drive them, the sooner you have to tune them up and change the oil and so on. But here at Senior Tech, we recommend very few products. One of the products that we do recommend is CCleaner. CCleaner, especially in the paid version, they have a demo which you can download for free. But the paid version runs automatically. It's very thorough, and it'll make a big difference in keeping your computer clean. How do you find CCleaner? Well, an easy way to find CCleaner is through our company website. If you go to tobecomputers.com, let me show you. This is our website, tobecomputers.com. And at the top right hand corner you see a link that says Senior Tech. If you click on that, you will find not only links to all the videos that we produce, but you'll also see any products that we may recommend for your use. So let me click on Senior Tech, and here we don't recommend a lot of products. We're very careful as to what we recommend, and we've been in business for over 20 years with a large senior clientele, and we've learned over time things that work and don't work. CCleaner right here is one of the ones that work. If you're interested in getting it, just click on the shop now and it'll take you right to their website. Underneath that you're going to see all our tutorials as we produce them. They're added here. So getting back to our area here, when you go online, for example, as you go to different sites and so on, you're going to get things offered to you to download and so on. Again, be skeptical, be careful. Don't add something unless you're sure that it's something you want or you need. Let me show you how to get rid of programs that may attach to your computer that you may not want. If you type here in the Cortana button, which we've demonstrated its use in our previous videos, and you start typing the word add, you will get add and remove programs. If you click on that once, you will see the programs that here are attached to your computer. You can scroll down and you see the whole list. First piece of advice and a warning: do not delete anything that has to do with the word Microsoft. A lot of those things are part of what makes your computer run, so leave everything Microsoft alone. You'll see things from your computer manufacturer. This is a Lenovo computer, so I leave those alone. Anything from Intel, you leave alone. That has to do with your processor and so on. But if you see anything here, for example, that has attached itself to your computer like a weather app and so on, again, here's another one that you leave alone, Dolby Digital Plus. That is the sound system in my computer, so you do have to be careful here. But if you see anything that's obviously attached to your computer, you can remove it here. How do you remove something? Well, here is one. I know I said don't touch things from the manufacturer, but here is one that I don't use from Lenovo, and I know I don't use it. So I click on that. If I click on it once, it gives me the option to uninstall. If I click on that again, it's going to go through the process and ask me permission to uninstall that program. Again, be careful here, but if you see something that's obviously been attached to your computer that you don't want, you can delete it this way. Another thing that you have to keep in mind are things that may attach to your computer even though you're using your Microsoft security. And another program that we do recommend is called Malwarebytes. It does not slow down your computer, which is the problem with a lot of the other programs that you're going to see. And the other thing that it gives you the option to scan your computer if you think you have a problem and you have Malwarebytes on your computer, you can scan it. It automatically adds a layer of protection to your computer. We found it to work. We found it to work well with Windows 10, and it doesn't slow down your computer. Again, you can go to our website, click the Senior Tech button, and you can go right to their website here to get the product. Again, we don't recommend too many things here at Senior Tech. We're very skeptical. Anything that's recommended, it's because we've tried it. Okay, we're going to keep our videos short today. We're going to try to give you a series of short videos. The next one is how to keep your computer organized, so keep an eye out for that. That's going to be our next video. Again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click the little like button below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Senior Tech.